This quick video is about how to watch a short video in slow motion. Okay, first open YouTube and open any short video. Yeah, usually you can't see the settings option. So what you have to do means just tap like, then click library. Now open liked videos. Yeah. Now here open the short video. Now you can see the settings option. Just tap that. Now tap playback speed. Yeah. Here you can see the short video on slow motion. And that's it. Likewise, you can watch any short video in slow motion. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.